Kaldenberg Consulting TV. I am your host, Brian Kaldenberg. I believe we are now on part 5 of the Google Adwords series, and we've talked about a lot of stuff in the prior parts of this series. So if you're just watching this episode today, you might want to go back and check out some of the very important topics we've talked about in those previous 4 videos. Just to touch briefly on them, one of them that we've said you need to do Google Analytics installed on your website so you can make sure and monitor what traffic's doing and if it's doing what you want it to do when it comes off your Google ads. Another thing we've talked about is keyword research using the Google Keyword Research Tool. If you don't know what that is, just Google Keyword Research Tool and click the first link, and that will take you there. And that's how you find out maybe some of the different keywords that people are typing in that match your product or service. The third thing we talked about is how it's important to write descriptive ads for each keyword, and then we showed you the different match types and how to set up your ad groups and keywords within those match types, and then you run a few different ads per keyword or per ad group to see which ad performs the best, which that is what your CTR score is, which is the acronym for click-through rate. And we talked about how if you can generate a higher click-through rate, it helps you rank higher than your competitors, because Google makes money off clicks. And so if someone else is willing to pay more, but your ad's getting clicked a lot more, you theoretically can rank ahead of them, get more clicks for less cost because you have a much better click-through rate. And today what we're going to talk about is negative keywords. And the way that we want to identify our negative keywords, and we also want to identify positive key phrases so we can maybe move them into an exact ad group with an exact match type for that keyword with an exact ad written for that keyword. And if we find negative keywords, we want to eliminate them for our campaigns. Now these negative and what I call positive key phrases don't apply to your exact match keywords and ad groups. Reason being is because you know exactly what the keyword is that's showing up, because it's exact. It has to be exact. If you're advertising on fish oil pills, they have to type in fish oil pills exactly. But what we also had, and we talked about in prior parts of this series, is you want to have phrase match ad groups and keywords. That way, because we don't know everything that people might type in front of a key phrase or after a key phrase, but we still want to show up for it. So if we have fish oil pills as our phrase match type keyword, again, someone might type in omega-3 fish oil pills. We'd want to show up for that. Or they might type in fish oil pills omega-3. And that's the phrase match type. And the way to find out the exact key phrases that people are typing in is after you get a month's worth of data, and you click on all the keywords, and then there's a little drop down that says view search terms or show keywords or show search queries. You click that, and it will show you all the different types of keywords for your fish oil pills phrase match ad group. And that's how you can determine, okay, here's a one that we got 7 clicks on. It actually generated 2 sales. Well, instead of just having our broad fish oil pills ad, let's say it was omega-3 fish oil pills. Let's move that whole keyword into an exact ad group, and we've written now, instead of just fish oil pills, we've made it even more descriptive with the word omega-3 in there so it matches up. That's how you use it to maybe draw some of the keywords that are really performing effectively out of that phrase match or broad match group, move them into exact match. Now the same thing is, let's say you ran that query, and you had it showed that 4 times people searched for they searched for omega-3 fish oil pill side effects, or they searched for bulk omega-3 fish oil pills. Well, let's say your website, you don't sell bulk omega-3 fish oil pills, or you're not really the cheap. That might be bulk is also cheap, or people looking to save money. Maybe you're not the type of website, you're not the cheapest. Maybe you sell high-end fish oil pills. That would be a keyword that there's no sense paying for. Someone's probably not going to buy something. They're looking for cheaper prices. They're looking to build an order in quantity. So you would maybe move that key phrase into your negative match types or negative keywords, so then anytime someone types in bulk fish oil pills, your ads automatically don't show. Or same thing with side effects. That's more research. Someone could be writing a report on fish oil pills and they're looking for side effects. The commercial intent of fish oil pill side effects is not very strong. You'd want to remove that. And as time goes on, you'll just keep adding to your negative keyword list, and that's fine-tuning your campaign. And it's very important to do that. And so that's what negative match types are. And if you do everything we've suggested, you are definitely on the right track for a very prosperous Google AdWords campaign. If you have any questions in the comments below, but guys, this wraps up our Google AdWords little mini-series that we've done. Please, questions, comments, I will do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, guys.